moving the water from you.
Okay, come on, line up. Here we go, see what's going. Here we go.
My name is Ferris, I go to Long Middle School.
My name is Ramses, I go to Long Middle School. My name is Sammy, I go to Roosevelt High School.
My name is Muhammad, I go to Mason. My name is Lil Kurt, and I go to Mason. My name is Stefan, I go to Yemen.
My name is Muhammad, I go to Long Middle School.
All right, go on, play, clowns. Now pick your team. Hurry up.
No, we're playing Roll Cup.
No, y'all playing all day long. Pick your team up. Y'all need to go for a hustle. I'm playing to do that. Come on. Pick your team up.
We gotta play for the whole goalie set.
No, just one go here. Let's get the team. You find out how. Ain't no goalie. They pick the team. It's gonna be 3-on-4. The smaller guy get on the big other team. Hurry up.
You and him, three of us.
Look, versus them four.
Look, I have an idea.
3 big guys against a little guy.
No.
Yeah, good. Come on. Make them work hard.
I'm big.
What side you on? You on the, okay, you on that side. Okay, you on that side then. Y'all 4 dudes right here. Now you playing this goal right here. We're not doing that. You playing this goal. You playing and you kick it whoever scores. You ain't no goalie. Play, man. They're playing down this way. Where you going? Where you going? All right. Let's start at the 30-yard line. It's gonna be all day. They going back down the other way. My God. Look at this. Okay, it's Stefan. Camera, stop. Be careful. I don't want no slide tackles, no hard tapping in the kick nobody back in the leg or nothing either. There you go. It's going. He got lucky. And the score now the goal start at the 5-yard. You cannot kick from back there. You got to start from right here. If you get to that line, you can score. Pass the ball. Waiting all day. Look at that, man. Pay attention.
Pass the ball.
Don't pass with somebody on somebody. Pass with somebody in the open. No, he wasn't. Dude was sitting right next to him. He went way down to the 50-yard line. I'm drinking my vitamins. I put something in my cup, something I can feel. The goal is down here, for heaven's sakes. This is ridiculous. Can we get down to the goal down here, please? I gotta walk way in the world up here. Look at these clowns. Where'd y'all going to down there? Get down here. It's ridiculous. Spread out. What you walking for? What you walking for? Where you walking here? You want to do some sprints? Keep walking. The ball down here, you want to walk. That's at the 5-yard line. You remember English? The 5, the white line right there, Doe.
Exactly. This one line is this. This one.
I said this one.
Hey.
You blind or something? Cross-eyed? Hit it back to the 30 and bring it back. Kick it to the 30. Go, take it. Start the 30-yard line and come on. Let's take it out. Whoever, just take it to the 30 and come back. Come on, come on.
Oh, no.
I'll tell you to take the ball down. What you doing? Got on stupid football shoes. They ain't no soccer shoes. You get them retarded shoes from the... Get over there and get him. What you running back there for? You know dango goalkeeper. What you doing? Next time somebody do something stupid, man, I swear you're going to be doing some sprints. Watch this. Do something brainless, mindless, thoughtless stuff again and see what's going to happen. Come out here, ain't got no brains. Man, you better use your brains. They're just kicking the ball from no reason all over there. Don't do it no more. You better pay attention to what you're doing. You better pay attention. Let's just take it back up there. Get on up there and start from the 30. You better start thinking. Look at them. They're going way down the opposite way. I can't take this. Pay attention. Take his shoulders out. Take his waist out. There you go. Good job, Ferris. Hurry up and pass the ball. I told him to pass it. If the other team get them, get you, boy. Slow motion.
Out.
And this dude missed. Okay, they scored. Drop him, drop him, drop him, drop him, drop him. Drop him. Push up, clown. Get on. You on their team? Me? Come on, me. Hurry up. Let's keep going. I tell you to stop. You ain't even did one. Tell me how much. Shut up. Just do them. That mean how much or nothing. Keep doing it. Run your mouth off. Push up worse than a girl. Push ups. Now use your arm and your shoulders. Look at him. Get up. Hit the ball to the 20-yard line. Hit the ball to the 20-yard line start. Hurry up, hurry up. You better not be walking. Now you want to walk, right? I just told him don't be walking. You understand English, right? I'll teach you some English. That team ready to get that ball. Come here, little boy. What's his name? Akeem, come here. You don't understand. He's the one that's like you just think walking is a game out here or something. Get over here. You think walking is funny. Now go ahead and play. I told him I'd better catch you walking again. You understand? Now you want to keep walking. You want to play soccer, go with your little sister, 1 or 2. You couldn't play soccer, you go see him to your little sister. This ain't no little picnic out here, boy. It costs too much money and time. Your shoes ain't even tied up or nothing. Here, you see that white line right there? You see that white line right there? That white line right there going this way? Get on that white line right there. Get on that white line right there. Let me help you understand. I don't need you sprinting there and back till I tell you to stop. Go and come back fast. The white line right there. Right in front of you. Run. I don't see you running. Keep going. Just go back and forth. Just come back and forth. Till I tell you to stop. So you know how to understand it. Understand protocol. Understand what somebody's saying to you. You sound like you don't understand. I ain't gonna tell you 5 times. Go ahead. You ain't running. Move your legs. Move your arms. Move your arms and legs. You don't sprint with your arms hanging down your side. With your arms moving. You don't know how to move, boy, out here. Come on here walking around. I see the ball. You walking carrying on like you out in some, I don't know where you think you at. Run. Touch your arms and legs. I want to see the arms and elbows moving. Think this is, man? You going to learn to yourself. Run, you go get the ball. Run when you on a soccer field. You better tell yourself right now, and I'm on a soccer field, I'm run. Run. I ain't tell you to stop. Run, I'm on a soccer field. Drop him. Make them drop. They don't drop it, make them drop it. I ain't got to tell y'all to tell them. Make them drop it. They lose, whoever win, make them. Tie your shoes up like you got some sense out here. Well, how get the push-up down? Stretch your legs out. Like a bunch of little girls. Sick of this.
I did it. I'm done.
You on their team?
Yeah, I done it.
Yeah, you didn't do nothing.
I did it.
I didn't see you do nothing.
I swear I did.
He did it. We saw him.
How many you do? 5?
No, he did like 15. How much?
Just keep doing them. Hurry up, you're holding the game up. Look at him, can't do 2 push-ups. It's pitiful. These schools is cursing these little kids. Stretch your legs out and do push-ups. I might play with you. Now do your push-ups. Use your stomach muscles, use your shoulder muscles, use your butt muscles. I don't care, use your muscles. Get off the legs. Stretch your legs out. Stretch them out. And push up. Use your arms and shoulder. Push up and go up. Stretch your legs. Keep your legs tight. Tighten your legs up. Tighten your legs up. There you go. It's a little better. Go down and go up. Keep your legs straight. All right, come on, come on, come on. Play, play, play. You better pass the ball. You gonna miss. You almost missed, boy. If I see anybody walking on this field, when somebody got the ball, you're gonna do just what he just did. Let me see you walking one more time and watching, like you spectate or something. If the offense got the ball and the defense is standing still, you're gonna pay for it. Is this a joke? Get off your legs, boy, and get up and do them. You ain't did nothing. Do them. Sick of this. Man, I ain't never seen no boy can't do no push-up in my life. You better start getting up in the morning time, boy, and do your push-up, because you come out here, you're gonna be hurting next time. You better get up in the morning and go do your push-up before you go to sleep at night. I swear you keep coming out here tripping the can, you're gonna be in trouble. And if you can't do push-ups, I'm gonna make you sprint. Now, just for that, if you can't do no push-ups, you're gonna be sprinting. Good defense, defense. Be careful with that stuff over there. This dude. Nice defense.
Oh my God! My goodness! Run!
They gonna kill you if you score. Get him, get him. What's this dude doing? There's no goalpost right there.
Run, run.
My God.
I thought you run. Stop walking, run.
Dude, man, pay attention. This is kicking the ball like this kick the ball. What does that mean? The ball there, so what you walking for? I ain't waiting on them, wait on them. Ain't no break, take no break for what? You ain't even doing nothing. Pass the ball, somebody get in the open. Play the ball, you shouldn't even pass it back there. Play it. No handball, nothing, you're no referee.
No, good. Mohammed.
Will y'all pass the ball for heaven's sakes? Look at that. This dude's goofy, man. He's some goofy characters.
Yeah.
Mohammed! Mohammed! Don't be scared. Mohammed!
He's gonna get you, Muhammad. He's gonna get you, Muhammad. Come back to the left. Come back behind him. Come. The kid ain't turn around. But you not to the ball and turn around with the ball. You not stop the ball and turn around reverse. My God. Y'all know no skills, man. The guy going back that way, you know how to stop the ball and come back around and kick with your left foot? Let me give you some drills right quick. Hold on. Put this on pause. Hold on. Bring the ball.
I know how to do it.
Bring me the ball. Come here.
I know how to do it.
You know what Muhammad's going to me, right? Yeah. I'm going in with the ball, right?
I know.
You don't know how to do like this.
I know how to do it.
That's too hard to do.
I know how to do it.
Why could you don't do it then? I know how to do it. Why you didn't do it then? You talk too much. What's so hard of doing that? What's so hard about doing a simple move? Stop him, block his body off, dribble around. He can't do nothing because I got him blocked off. I got all this to go that way or right past his foot. If you don't put his foot out there fast enough, I kick it over to the left. I'm gonna score. Instead of doing this stuff and then block it. You're thinking, man.